Hey, what's good guys? My name is Arti Creator and today I'm gonna show you how to make your own Instagram or Facebook filter with Kira effect. Let's go! First thing you need to do is download Sparkar Studio. I'm gonna leave a link for that software in the description so you can download it. Here's our Sparkar Studio. You need to press on blank project. Open. Next thing you need to do is download the folder I attached to this lesson. In this folder you can find patches and files you need for this project. Open the link in the description and download this folder. Okay, here's our beautiful folder. What you need to do is drag and drop this Arti Creator Kira right in assets. Okay, cool. Next thing we need to do is drop our sparkle PNG to our project like that. Next step, let's go ahead and open patch editor. You can open patch editor right here. Next thing is drop our Arti Creator Kira patch to the patch editor like that. To make more sparkles, we can copy and paste this effect. We can copy and paste this patch like 3 times. I'm gonna make 3 times like that. And we have 3 patches. Cool. Next thing we need is to click on sparkle and just drag and drop it right here like that. Next thing we need is open our camera like that and press texture extraction like that. Okay, find camera texture 0 here and drop it to this patch editor. Cool. Next thing we need is go to device and find interactions and producer patch. Create like that. Here are device, make it like that. Next thing we need double click and let's find value. Okay, let's copy and paste it. 1, 2, 3 like that. 1, 2 and 3. Let's link it up like that. Here's the screen size. You need to link screen size and value. Not this one, not object, but screen size, like that. So here you can see sparkle, here's our value. You need to link sparkle with sparkle, like that. Sparkle, again, sparkle, and again, sparkle. This is the camera texture. We need to link it to camera texture, like that, to every patch. And the last thing is device. We need to link it up with device resolution, like that. And double click right here and let's search add patch, copy and paste add. We need to add and let's link it like that, like that, like that, like that, and like that. And what we need to do next is add object right here. Add object, find rectangle. Let's go ahead to rectangle, left click, and here you can see size. Fill it full size, like that. And add material, like that. Click on material and go to the shader type. Change shader type to flat. And in the texture, we need to click on this button, like that. And link it up with this one, like that. Let's change render options. In the blend mode, we need to add screen. And here you can see our sparkles, right here and right here sometimes. To change sparkle settings, you need to play with these settings in these patches. For example, what I'm usually doing is making it like that. So you can play with these settings, for example, like that, and create your own Kira filter. Also, you can add another patch like that, copy and paste. Also, you can customize this filter. All you need to just replace this sparkle I have in this project to your sparkle or any other object. It's just upon you. Great news guys, I created my own course about Sparkar Studio for beginners. In this course, we are gonna create most popular filters in Instagram and in the world. This course is made for absolute beginners who wants easy to watch and fun project-based lessons. It's super easy to follow. You just open the project and adjust levels and settings for your exact filter. Once again, if you want to go from zero to hero, this is the perfect course for you. I'm gonna leave a link for that course in the description. Feel free to check it out. See you in the class. It was your boy Arti Creator. Peace.